Hi, this is David Mantey, Editor-in-Chief with PD&D and ECN Magazine. I'm here with Alexis Alcott from Microchip Technologies. She's going to walk us through the PIC24 with a crypto engine demo.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
So what we've got here is our standard 16-bit XLP board, extreme low power, and we've got the PIC24 microcontroller that we've been talking about with both XLP technology and the integrated crypto engine. Okay. The board runs from a lot of different battery sources. Here we've got 2 AAA batteries running the demo, and we've got a daughter card here that's the RN4020 Bluetooth LE pigtail daughter card. So the PIC24 is communicating to the Bluetooth pigtail, and we've got a basic Android app running over here on the tablet. And what we'll show is basic command and control, so perfect for a low power wireless network. Okay. Here we'll turn the LEDs on and off from the tablet down to the board.
It's working.
Yeah, there we go, bright lights. And we'll show similar switches going from the board back up to the tablet. Okay. There's also a temp sensor here on the board, so if we put our hand over there, we'll see the temperature going up a little bit. There you go. Right. Good. So together we've got the PIC24 running with the Bluetooth LE module, basic commands back and forth between a tablet. That could be anything, not just LEDs or switches, but you know, check out when your battery life is going down in your smoke detector, or if you left your garage door open at home. Send you a notification to your smartphone or tablet. Okay. One of the things that you had mentioned earlier was low power is an ongoing trend, in this case extreme low power. Can you talk a little bit more on that? Of course, yeah. As people are starting to add more internet or wireless connection to applications that typically ran from a battery for years, they don't want to see their battery life becoming shorter and shorter. So we're being forced to put even more techniques and low power modes into our products in order to enable those long battery life that these applications are demanding. Okay, and what I found really interesting was the integrated encryption. Could you go a bit more into that detail? Sure, yeah. I mean, in this case, you know, turning LEDs on and off, not high secure stuff, but you can imagine, you know, the data that you have, medical data, or you know, controlling something much more safety critical would be important to have that encrypted. This microcontroller includes an AES, DES, and triple DES encryption engine, and by doing that, we're able to encrypt and decrypt data so that you have very safe data, and you can wait until you transfer and decrypt the data later on. Okay. You'd also mentioned that it's easy to add wireless because that is pre-certified wireless protocols. Yeah. Could you tell me a little more about that? Sure, yeah. The PIC24 itself can talk using a UART connection to many of Microchip's certified modules. In this case, it's a Bluetooth LE module. We've also got modules for Wi-Fi or Zigbee and sub-gigahertz as well. Okay. And again, with the 3 things, like, you know, why would I specify? What were the top 3 reasons why a design engineer would specify this product? Sure. The top 3 reasons why you'd want to specify a PIC24 GB would be low power. Low power is critical in your design. This product achieves 18 nanoamps in sleep mode, so very long battery life. Second reason would be the crypto engine. Okay. So you had some type of data in your system that you'd want to protect. Okay. Especially anything connected to the cloud these days, you'd want to keep protected. Okay. And then the third reason would be easy connection. So it's got a USB connection on there, easy to connect to a thumb drive in your application, or like I mentioned, those easy wireless protocols. Okay. Okay. And the bonus question, because we can't stop talking about IoT. Okay. Tell us a little bit about how this fits into IoT and the changing landscape. Sure. Where our vision of this is that this system can connect to many different sensors. So whether you're trying to sense humidity, temperature, battery life, etc., this enables those IoT sensor nodes. Okay. So places that are out there and applications that are out there where you're not going to want to change the battery very often. In fact, the PIC24 itself can run off of energy harvesting modules. The battery consumption is low enough to do that. Okay. So that's where we fit into that whole IoT trend. Okay. So you're putting it in your own personal network. What are you going to enable? What am I going to enable? I want to be able to turn my thermostat down. I live in Arizona, so I want to have my thermostat nice and cold when I get home. Okay. Sounds very good. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks, David. Yep. For PD&D and ECN, this has been David Mantey at Sensors Expo 2014. Thank you, Alexis, again. Thanks. It's great. Let me just do the awkward stick.